Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer Ethereum from a Coinbase to Revolut. Now first I want you to actually open up Revolut instead of Coinbase. Come here and click on add money, and if you don't have an account ready, go ahead and create an account. Okay, choose your currency, create your account, and then you'll see your account information. So we have local and Swift. This is for international, but you get all your details right here. You can copy everything. Okay, this is what we'll use in Coinbase once we have our account information. Okay, now we go back to Coinbase, and then I want you to go ahead and click on send, and then come here, click on add a payment method, choose bank account. Okay, and from here you can go ahead and select your institution. Of course, you can just go ahead and search it up, or choose from here. If you find it, just go ahead and search up Revolut, and then go ahead and add your details, your banking details. Okay, so go ahead and click on add contact right here, and then once you have added your details, I want you to put in the amount you want to send. Okay, and once you've done that, go ahead and make the transaction, and you'll receive your money into your bank account. Right? Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to find your solution.